Here's a cold start video of the Suzuki GS850. Haven't started it in a couple of days. Let me see. Yeah. Turn signal. Pull on the choke. The choke does kind of go down when you let go of it. So I like to kind of hold it while I hit the start button. It'll be a little bit hard to do while I'm filming, so bear with me. Started right up. Now I just let the choke kind of ease down a little bit. And I'll switch my hands now. Still got a little bit of a choke. And it slowly kind of drops down. Yeah, fires right up. Settles into a steady idle. Everything runs great. I'll turn the turn signals on so you can see the indicators work as well as the turn signals. Left turn signal working. Works on the back, and now this choke is all the way off. It's a sweet ride.